I will share with you the Qigong routine for hearts and lungs. This routine help you to strengthen and keep your hearts and your lungs healthy, but also to offer space and time for you to heal your heart and your lungs, and be aware of your body to release all tensions and worries. So dear friends, welcome back to Qigong meditation channel again. So today in this video, I will share with you the Qigong routine for hearts and lungs. This routine will help you to strengthen your heart and your lungs, but also to keep your heart and your lungs healthy. Okay, we will do some warming up, and after that we have about 3 or 4 movements, and we'll do some massage to help to strengthen your heart. Okay, so the first movement we can call the pulling the arrow. Okay, inhale, deep, exhale, 3 times. Inhale, exhale, gently. Right side, inhale, and then exhale. 3. Okay, in, out. So when you to pull the arrow to the right, you look to the right, and at the same time you open the left shoulders 3 times of pulling, and then you breathe out through your mouth. Okay, inhale, left, exhale, 1, 2, 3, in, out. The next movement, releasing fist, release and fist. Okay, we can call it that way. When you release the air out, but also you take your time to breathe out through the mouth, to release air out, but also to let it go. Okay, to make your lungs and your heart have some space to let it go and have some space to breathe very deep and release tensions out. Okay, inhale, right side, in, one more time, inhale. That's wonderful. So the next movement, the third one, is we can call the hands upward and backward. So inhale, upward, hand upward, stand by the toe, exhale slowly, turn your 2 palms front, move down and bend down, and raise up your toes, and then stand by your heel a little bit. In, upward, out, backward. Inhale through your nose, breathe through your nose. Exhale, breathe through your mouth. Bend your back and bend your knees a little bit when you move down. Inhale up, exhale, in, exhale. That's good. Okay, so we can do some massage movements. So the first one, stand naturally, and you make your 2 hands and 2 palms in front of you, and you tap with the wrist, 2 wrists together in front of your chest. Okay, form like flowers by 2 palms. So you can click and tap 2 wrists together. You breathe naturally. So when you do like this, about 60 or 100 times, even more. Okay, to strengthen and to relax your 2 wrists. And this one can help your heart stronger and make your heart healthy. That's good. And later on, you can feel the 2 wrists right here. Get red and very warm. Okay, help your heart stronger. Okay, next you put your left palm on the lower abdomen and right palm, all fingers you put together like this, and then you can massage your left shoulders and your left chest together right here, the connection. Breathe in and out through the nose and relax the body. Offer a gentle smile. So you can do 10 times or 20 times like this. Okay. Right shoulders. Breathe naturally. Relax your lungs and your heart. So you can massage 2 palms together until you feel warm. And then you can use your right thumb to massage on the left palms, okay? So inside the palms here, around here, this area, you can massage to do acupressure like that. Can keep your internal organs, especially your heart, your lungs, your stomach, feel healthy. And acupressure, daily basic acupressure to help you to keep your internal organs healthy. And so you just use your thumb and you move around and press it, yeah. At the same time, use your left thumb and move your press around your right palm. So you can make your right palms and your left palms warm, okay, but also relax. That's good. And massage your face. Relax your face. That's good. And shake your two hands. Inhale. Exhale. So we put your right palm on your heart and your left palms on your lower abdomen. Breathe in, breathe out through your nose, and you stand very solidly and relaxingly. You feel your heart warmth. You feel the abdomen, the lower abdomen rising and falling with your in-breath and the out-breath. Feel grateful to the heart, to the lungs. Feel grateful to be alive. And you are here for your hearts and for your lungs. Here to take care of them. And feel grateful. Look like you are embracing your body, your heart and your lungs. Let go all worries, stress. Let go all tensions, anxieties on your lungs, your heart's area.